Canva is a great tool that you can use in Aweber to create custom images. Here's a couple examples of how you can use Canva in your emails. In Aweber, just drag the image element into your email and then go to the Design on Canva menu to the right. Now, before we go any further, let's talk about some uses of Canva in email. Canva is great for creating a logo or a header image. Or if you want to include any graphs or charts, this is great if you have data that you want to talk about, but you're not sure how to show it. Canva is also great for a call to action button. Regular call to action buttons are fine, but with Canva you can create something a little bit more designed and a little bit larger. So from the Canva menu, you choose a size. And in this case, we're going to search for a template to create a logo or a header image. So we'll use food as the template search, and there's a couple good ones. This is okay. This one's not a bad one either. But let's use this one. Now first we're going to take out some of the content that's already in here. You could just fill the content in with your own stuff. Or even use Canva's text feature to add your own text. So we can type in Tara's Healthy Eats. I'm going to take that out of there because in this case, I've actually uploaded a pre-designed logo we have that we're going to add to this to kind of create a logo and a header image in one. So we'll save this. And it'll appear in our email. Now let's make a chart or a graph. So right now we have a headline that says, did you know that 80% of the people who garden aren't using the right tools? So let's grab an image. Again, from the Design on Canva menu, we're going to choose the square size. And then from elements, we'll search for charts. Now this circle chart is perfect. So we're going to use this, and we can adjust the percentage shown right up here. So we'll put 80% for that. And then for our text, we'll just use some text that says 80% and add a nice little label to that. Let's move it too to have it kind of overlaying right there. Perfect. And we just click Save. And there's our chart. We might want to resize this. This is a little large right up here. There we go. Kind of resize that, bring that text up a little bit more. And finally, let's create a call to action button. So down here we have some links to our videos on our YouTube channel, but let's just drag over another image. And then using Design on Canva, we'll choose the banner size again. And we can use this to link directly to our YouTube channel. So we'll search for a plain template. We're just going to grab this first one right here. We'll get rid of the image. We'll get rid of the text. And then we'll add our own text for the button. We can write check. Now let's write click to check out my YouTube channel and learn how to garden like a pro. And we'll kind of drop that line down there and we'll increase the size of the text. Move it up here a little bit. There we go. And then we'll go over to Elements and let's search video. Oh, perfect. This red play button is really going to call attention to the button. Kind of looks like a YouTube play button too. We'll just adjust the text and that element. Then we'll save. And there's our call to action button. Of course, you want this to act like a button, so you want to link this image to your YouTube channel in this case. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on any of our new email or small business marketing content. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and if you're not a customer yet, click here. It's absolutely free to start building your business with Aweber. Check out some of the other videos in our channel, and let us help you reach your audience and grow your business.